Hey everyone, welcome back. If you do not have a Walmart account yet, you can create one directly in the app. Open the Walmart app and tap on the sign in option. Then select create an account. Then enter your phone number or email. After that, click on first name and then enter your first name, then your last name, and then enter your phone number. After that, create a password. Once you're done doing so, go ahead and click continue. After that, you may receive a verification email to confirm your account. Follow the instructions in that email if prompted. Once your account is created, you can log in and start shopping, tracking orders, and managing payments, and that's it. Subscribe for more quick fixes.